Oh no, what is this? A wall? Can't get out. What is happening? Oh no. Oh no. I am trapped. I am trapped in the kitchen by my cat. She has quarantined me, guys. She has gone above and beyond. Look how happy she is. Her nefarious plans quarantined me in the kitchen. But hey, at least I have, like, food. So she was somewhat nice. All innocent. Pretending like she did nothing. I'm just sitting in here, trying to get out. She's just nefarious. Just watching me in my misery. Yes. I know. Stuck. Stuck until you let me out. It's getting dark. Still trapped. Trapped in this lonely, forsaken place. Graham crackers. Just sit here. It's my life away. Just wait for this quarantine to be over. I mean, it's pretty good. You're really good. Too bad. You're not in the kitchen. You made a mistake. I'm in the kitchen. Food. You don't have food, so you'll have to let me out eventually. Look what you've done. I wish quarantine would end. My cat would finally let me out. But no, it just doesn't end. Keeps going. Stuck here in the dark, alone, with food, bacon, the necessities, you know. Will I ever be free? No. I'll never be free. No. Why are we still here? Just to suffer? At night, I can feel my leg, my arms, my fingers.